Tired of juggling Trello's simplicity and craving Asana's powerful project management? Let's dive into how to move your Trello boards, lists, and cards over to Asana, making the transition smooth and simple. First, open the Trello board you want to migrate, then click on the Show menu option. It is usually located on the right side of your board. In the menu, find and select Print and Export. This will open a new section with export options. Click the Export as JSON button. This will download a JSON file containing all your Trello board data. Save this file to a location you can easily access. Now, head over to Asana and log in the left sidebar. Locate and click on the Import button. This might be hidden under a New Project button if you don't see it directly. Select Trello from the list of import options. Asana supports direct import from other platforms, making this process easier. Click the button that allows you to upload the JSON file you downloaded from Trello. Select the file from its saved location and click Open to start the import. Asana will now process the JSON data and automatically create a new project with your Trello boards, lists, and cards neatly organized. You may need to do some rearranging, but most of the content will be there. Review your imported project. Check that your cards, descriptions, comments, and any attachments have all been successfully transferred. You might need to adjust assignees or due dates, so double-check everything. Enjoy the more robust features of Asana with your existing project data.